Good afternoon. Finished up a 2-day install here in Southlake, Texas. This client reached out to us this spring. He's got a couple of heaters on this back patio area by the pool. Really can't get much relief from the bugs in the summertime, and in the wintertime when they're trying to use those heaters, most of that heat just escapes. Now, he had another screen company come out, look at this. The guys told him that they could screen in part of it, but couldn't screen in this here on the angles because it's too complex. We've got some 22-degree angles and some 15-degree angles here behind me, and you'll be able to see those better when I raise these screens. I'm going to go ahead and raise them, and as they're coming up, I'll explain these a bit. So as these units raise, you'll notice that the client chose to go black on all the aluminum extrusion. It matches their trim work very well. They chose the black 95% solar rated fabric, and again, that's going to offer them great protection from the sun, obviously protection from bugs, but here in the wintertime when they get ready to use these heaters, they'll be able to retain a lot of that heat that those heaters produce. Again, as these screens open, you'll notice that we have these angles here. We put 2x2 aluminum build outs. It's all square tubing that we attached in this on both sides. We have them anchored top and bottom, plus we have them anchored every 16 inches all the way up. Anytime we look at a project with a client, we look at our options, but we always look at how we can do it best, because the last thing we want to do is see a client spend a lot of money and it not perform to suit their standards or ours. You can see we got some different elevations here as these screens go around the patio. There's actually 3 different elevations on this project. Again, a couple different angles, but we've got all these installed. Clients are super happy, so are we. They'll provide them great protection from the sun, bugs, and again, retain some of that heat this winter. So if somebody says they can't do it or they're not sure how to do it a proper way, give us a call. We'll give you some options and we'll go from there and see how we can make your project come to life. I'm Brandon with Security Shutter Screens. Have a great day.